Imwe kwa imwe ndi thiini wa thibitari wa Kenyatta University Teaching and Referral Hospital guku ni kuria gukire na graduation ya gatatu ya arutwo aria makoragwo magithomera unathi thiini wa university no kana thiini wa thibitari uyu na umuthi kwina arutwo 39 students aria makorwo makihumbo thumbi thutha wa gukorwo makirikia mathomo mao na minister wa ugima wa mwiri ugwitwo Deborah Baraza eguku ni aragithie na mbere na kweria miario yake haria ntukorwo twamuthikiriria kidogo na ni akorwo akiuga ati akiuria Akenya gukorwo makiingira thiini wa Social Health Authority ni mũtaratara mweru wa ugima wa mwiri ni insurance area thirikari ikiugite ni gukorwo giteithia Mukenya wothe na akiuria Akenya manyitanire na makorwo makiingira ku amu ino ni imwe ya njira iria igukorwo giteithia kana igukorwo gicenjia ugima wa mwiri guko bururi-ini na no nyire tukimuthikiririe hanini.
In recognition of the social and economic challenges Kenyans face, particularly regarding healthcare costs, the government is rolling out the universal health coverage and the social health insurance funds. And these initiatives are designed to ensure that every Kenyan can access comprehensive quality health services without the burden of financial hardship. And I urge every one of you to register for the Social Health Authority.
Bereyo muikariri giti wa bodi iria ikiramataga thibitari uyu ugwitwo Professor Olive Mugenda ni agukoretwo akiaria na uga ati ni mehaririirie muno kuhingura cancer center gothiini wa thibitari uyu auga mari na maundu maingi muno magikorwo makiruguria thiini hihi mwaka uyu utanathira kana ringi mwaka uria ukite tondu niuga ni marehariria gukorwo magika kidney transplant kwa rita ria mbere na koguo no nyende onake tukimuthikiririe oro hanini.
Madam CS, the board and management have always encouraged the institute faculty to go further and introduce sub-specializations training in these fields for all nurses. On behalf of the board, we will provide the necessary support for KUTRH to be a center of excellence in nursing training. Our chief guest, the board has been informed that this training institute has faced the challenges of having few number of students.
Minister Deborah ni gukorwo agithiururuka thibitari uyu tondu riri ni rita riake arakorwo akiingira thiini wa thibitari uyu ari ta minister wa ugima wa mwiri na hihi ni twirigirire ni gukorwo akioya ciuria kuma kuri andiki a mohoro noguo ni tugwithie na mbere na ukimenyithia mwiroreri wa Inoro TV maundu ri megukorwo magikara mwena uyu indi kwa hinda riri njokie mwaro imwe kwa imwe kuma Ruiru njitagwo Moses Ngige.